So the 90 fits the radiator perfect, but it's a little loose on the water pump. To fix that, I'm gonna try out a little piece of stock hose and then slip this over. Oh, the tops fit wonderfully. And that's what I'm talking about. Oh, water pump just mocked up. That'll be tightened into. All right, so they almost touch. All I need is a little piece in between, and I'll be able to turn them accordingly. Hey, this got some flex to it. I could be doing this. I made that. That's some nice welds. Got a whole radiator hose down there. I will need the starter and the connector for the alternator. Got it. And got it. There, that'll work. Yes, that worked. Well, this is easy. Find a place to weld the bone, and then the harness routes under the intake manifold. And I'm gonna get a grommet. I can either go in through this hole over here or route them both on this side. And then the driver's side, get the bong. I can either come on the fender or same thing, pass it under the intake manifold with the oil feed, and either put them both through there or over here. Maybe both through over there. I'm liking that more. Need to clean these guys up also. Or I can pick a place to mount this, and then those two little Allen bolts will come off. And then the ECU can go in like so. I think I'll use the exposed holes just for bolt clearance. So it'll sit in like that. Yeah, it doesn't look like there'd be much clearance if some bolts were installed on these two, but they would be hidden, but then these would be pointless. So I'll use these two. Don't know where I want to put it at. If I chose the glove box, I do have an access hole in the back for wires, but I think it'd be cooler in a dash somewhere. So Holley's showing up for work. Of course, this is going to be inside the car, pass through the firewall. But the connectors are labeled, you know, injectors. You know, everything's labeled where to go. Up front, we have the fuel. So what I'm gonna do is trade places with this gauge and this sensor. Auto position. It's gonna plug right in its place. I'm gonna route this under the intake manifold also. The cam that's gonna be down there. There it is. Yeah, so it looks like it's making sense to route all this under the intake manifold, put that sensor up here. Back here, got the map sensor. which I believe this isn't going to plug directly into it. I have a, what do you call it, an adapter on order, and I got an LS3 2.5 bore sensor. So the one that's in there, the stock ones, are going to come out. All right, they're swapped around. Yeah, I can get like a 45. They would change the angle. I can see it better.
It has been a while.
Well, this setup worked out. Partial wiring. Turbo exhaust done. It's gonna work.